Okay, good evening everyone. Today we are gonna study. So, as our series was going on of RS Agarwal exercise 7B class 9. So, first of all, happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. This video is gonna be posted on Raksha Bandhan date. And now let's continue with our series. So, we are right now on question number 6. So, the question number 6 says two lines AB and CD intersect at O. If AOC is equals to 50 degree, then find AOD, BOD and BOC. So there is nothing much to do in this. Okay, so let me just solve this for you. I hope you can see first of all. Yeah, now see. First let me write the solution. So first you know how to perfect way to write something, and ignore these. Okay, ignore the Rakis on my hand. Everybody has a sister, but cousin I have one. Leave it. Why am I talking about that? Okay, so now let's start. So ignore the sound coming from the background because I don't know what's happening in the kitchen. Okay, so two lines AB and CD intersect at O. If AOC is equals to 50 degree, then find AOD and BOD and BOC. So there is nothing much to do in this sum. So we can see, first of all, we can write it as, we will pick any one of these. Okay, so we can just say we are gonna do it with AOC and we will make another angle. We can do it AOC then COB. So first let's find the value of this angle. I know it's not given, but we will first find the value of that. So let's start. First let's write over here given. Yeah, this systematic way. Don't ignore this. You shall write like, if you write like this, the teacher will think you are like you're writing in a good way or something like that. Okay, so what is given over here, that AB and CD intersect at O. Okay, intersect at O. It is given, you can see this. So if AOC is equals to 50 degree, so it's also given, we can write angle AOC is equals to 50 degree. Now we have to write to prove. Okay, now after we write to prove, so here in to prove it is given, we have to find the angle AOD, BOD and BOC. Okay, so let's do it. We have to find the value of angle AOD, angle BOD and angle BOC. Okay, now let's write, now we have to write proof. Okay, like here we wrote to prove. Okay, and now we have to write proof. So let's start. First of all, now here we know the value. Okay, here we know the value of AOC, and AOC is 50 degree. So let's start with it. Now we are gonna do angle AOC plus angle, we will make another angle. So if it's as we go like in the way, it's gonna be AOC, then it will come COB because it's going like this and then this. So let's find the value. I know it's not given over COB, but we will have to first find the value of that to find the value of these angles. So let's do. Don't mind if I'm speaking so fast. It's my habit. Okay, let's do it. Jokes apart. Okay. Wait, did I just write BOC? Okay, that's fine. No problem. It's good. Okay, leave it. Okay. Wait, let me just change it. See, this is wrong. Okay. You can take the notes, but this is wrong. Sorry. Okay. Now we can write, everybody knows AOC plus COB is equal to 180 degree because this happens because of linear pair. Okay, linear pair. Let's write here. Linear pair. Now next we are going to do is, now AOC's value is given over here. In the value it is given AOC is equals to 50 degree. I hope you can see. Okay, I don't know my camera setting. Okay, so video is getting long. Let's fast do it. Let's do it fast. Okay, 50 degree. Now 50 degree plus COB is equals to 180 degree. Now let's do it fast. Angle COB is equals to 180 degree. Now it was here, now it will come this side, then it will become 180 degree minus 50 degree. So angle COB becomes 130 degree. Now we have the values. Okay, now let me just show you something. See, now we will go back to the sum, and now we can write COB. So here we can write 130 degree. Okay, so as we everybody has learned over here what is vertically opposite angles. So if we see about according to vertically opposite angles, if COB from COB, so there is AOD. Okay, so we get the value of AOD. So we can write it as COB B is equals to angle AOD because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, because we can see over here they are vertically opposite angles. Now we can write it as vertically opposite angles. So AOD value also we got 130 degree. Now we have to find out AOC. So here we get BOD. So even BOD is over here. So BOD's value. So first of all we are gonna see if BOD's value is gonna come. So we can write it as BOD can also be 50 degree. Okay, so let's write. Now angle AOC is equals to angle BOD because even they are vertically opposite angles. Now we can right now we can still do a plot twist over here. Okay, so we can still write it as if COB is equals to 130 degree and BOD is equals to 50 degree, then AOD is also 130 degree. So we can just do it as we get all the values. So we can just change something. We can do a slight change, which we could do in starting also I had done, but I crossed it. So see, now we got the value. So let's first of all let me draw a line. Okay, now like ignore if I'm doing like that. Okay, now let's see. Now AOD. So we got the value of AOD and AOD is of COB. So see, if COB was how much? 130 degree. So 130 degree, see, COB was 130 degree. So AOD is equals to angle COB, which we can also write as like COB. So we can also write it as angle BOC. Okay, now we can change it. So we got the value of AOD is equals to BOC. So now let's write the final and this what AOC and BOD, angle AOC and angle BOD. Now these are because of vertically opposite angles. Don't mind me, like this the page is getting small, but I can't turn to the next one because all that thing is written over here. Let's write the final values. Okay, so now angle AO and D, so their value is gonna be 130 degree. Now next was angle BOD. So BOD, so it was opposite to AOC. So BOD and AOC, they were 50 degree. And now that COB can be written as BOC. So now we can see angle BOC is equals to 130 degree. So let me put this in a box. So now this is the answer. Now thanks for watching. The video is getting long, so thanks, bye.